My name is Eberechi, and I participated in the retreat today titled Stretch. If I'm to summarize my experience today, I would say it was mind-blowing. I learned that I can do anything my mind conceives. I can do anything. What I need to do is to find the logic why I can do that thing, make my plans, and have faith. Once I have these three things in place, then I can do anything. That's what I've taken out from today's training. Last year we were here and we gained so much clarity. Now we have to stretch out and do far beyond what we can even imagine. Even in the Bible it says that God is able to do even more than you have imagined. So all the plans I have for myself this year, all the things I want to achieve, the place I want to see myself is really possible. First thing to do is why should I have this? How do I have it? We went through a lot of things. I can't begin to mention it, but I really recommend that people come for this retreat. It's every first Saturday in the year. Dr. Ogbo is very deep. He's a deep person. I can't begin to quantify it, but I can tell you that you can't remain the same when you come in contact with this man. It's not just possible. Thank you.